What's the meaning of billow? Billow. Billow.
Billow. Billow. Billow refers to a large, rolling wave or mass of something, such as smoke or clouds. The term is often used to describe the movement or appearance of substances in motion, particularly those characterized by their size and fluidity. When used in reference to waves, billows suggest the intensity and power of the ocean, evoking a sense of awe and wonder. Meanwhile, billows of smoke or cloud can be equally fascinating, sometimes taking on unique shapes and patterns as they rise and disperse. Overall, billow is a dynamic and expressive word that conveys a sense of movement, force, and energy.